Saturday sunset, we're lying on my bed with 5 hours to go. Fingers entwined, and so were our minds, crying, I don't want you to go. You wiped away tears, but not fears, under the still and clear indigo. You said, baby, don't cry, we'll be fine. You're the one thing I swear I can't outgrow. My mother said the younger me was a pretending prodigy. Well, nothing that much has changed. 'Cause while you're wolfing down liquor, my soul, it gets sicker. But I'm sticking to the screenplay. Gotta say I'm okay, but answer this, babe. How is it now that somehow you're a stranger? You were mine just yesterday. I pray the block in my airway dissipates and instead deters your airplane's way. But heaven denied, destiny decried, something beautiful died too soon. But I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright. Someday I'll be fine, but just not tonight. Plunging into all kinds of diversions, like blush wine and some more soirees. But even with gin and surging adrenaline, I see you're all that can intoxicate. Oceans and engines, you're skilled at infringing on great love affairs. 'Cause now my heart's home, all I've known is long gone and 10,000 miles away. And I'm not okay, but I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where come to a close. I mark the end with this last song I wrote. I'm letting go. This is the last falsetto I'll ever sing to you, my grave.